everyone, welcome back to the continuation of festive buy from Tira and Mintra. What we have here is Skin Renew by Dr. V and Derma. This is their Skin Renew Barrier Repair Peptide Moisturizer. I have already emptied 6 bottles of this moisturizer, and in this festive sale I bought 2 more. It is so good, so lightweight, and really works wonder for your skin. We have 0.5% peptide, 1% vitamin C, 1% ceramide, and 2% niacinamide. And if you'll talk about the benefit, so it's packed with multiple good for skin ingredients, which restores your damaged skin barrier while simultaneously it will even out your complexion. And if we'll talk about the benefits from these ingredients, so niacinamide, it really helps in reducing pores and roughness and improves overall skin appearance. However, vitamin C will help in brightening the skin. On the other hand, peptides and ceramides, they help in increasing the skin barrier and improve the moisture retention. So it contains all the good ingredients, but if you'll talk about the percentage of these ingredients is not great, but it is good because the percentage is super low. It's not enough. If you're already on your 30s, you should not rely on just this moisturizer considering the ingredients because the percentage is very low. So you should go with single serums as well, and on top of that you can add this moisturizer for layering it up with your serum. It will do good work. It does not contain any ingredients which will cause irritation to your skin. And now if you'll see the price of this product, so the quantity you are getting 50 gram, the price is $4.99. Yes, in this range you cannot expect the much of the percentage of these ingredients. Also $4.99 for 50 gram is something which is a very good price, to be honest, because we have ample moisturizers out there, but all those moisturizer does not contain these listed ingredients. So this is the very first moisturizer that you are getting in India having these all super ingredients. Now let's open the box and see the packaging from inside. So this is how the bottle looks like. If you open it, you have the pump over here, and I love the pump packaging of this product because it is hygienic. It does not spoil your product ingredients. It's travel safe. It is so lightweight bottle. Now let's see the consistency of this product. Super lightweight, watery in texture, good coverage, no fragrance at all, does not leave any oily and sticky feeling, and absorbs very nicely and quickly. It has a very light consistency. It's a very light moisturizer, but it hydrates very well. So if you're looking a moisturizer which contains good ingredients, lightweight, it is recommended to go for this moisturizer, especially at this price for this quantity. It is highly recommended. I have already emptied 6 bottles. So if you like my review, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share your love. Thank you. Bye-bye.